Cognac, Wellerlane, and I'm here with Reina Schiffrin, CEO and President of Planned Parenthood. And it's a glorious day here in the Hamptons on Memorial Day weekend. And Reina's going to talk to me about this event that's been going on for many, many years for Planned Parenthood. Tell my audience, what year is this that we are celebrating this event?
I had a blank. It's our 26th anniversary or annual year here out in the East End that we've been doing these beautiful, beautiful events.
Now tell my audience, explain to my audience what's going to happen this evening with this event.
Well, we're going to have great food, great liquor, great wine, but in addition, we'll be speaking. A few of us will be speaking about our personal experiences with Planned Parenthood, why we're passionate about this cause, and we're going to have this fantastic silent auction that has over 56 items.
Yes, I heard about that. 56 items that are being auctioning off. Can you tell my audience some of these wonderful items that are being auctioned off this evening?
We have items from Chuck Close's self-portrait that is just fantastic. And we have many, many other local artists. We have Michael Hausman, who is a photographer, with a beautiful photo of a surfing scene in Australia. We have Alice Aycock, Ross Bleckner. I mean, many people you know, and some new artists. We also have experiences. So a day at the Saratoga, for example, upstate, horse racing, a beautiful day there. We have golf packages. We have the International Movie Festival here. We have lunch.
The Hamptons Film Festival.
Yes, thank you, Film
Fabulous. That's my favorite event in the Hamptons. I wait all year to go to that.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we have that, tickets for that. We have tickets, we have gifts from the Paris Museum to go to their events and a membership. We have lunch with Sarah Beth, or her name is Sarah Levine from Sarah Beth's Restaurant. So we have all different things, but probably about 40 pieces of art.
I saw that. Now, tell me, do you have a favorite? Do you have a favorite auction item?
so many of them. I hope I can bid on them. I really don't have a favorite. I'm trying to think. Well, I love Michael's piece. Michael Hausman is one of the co-chairs, along with Ann Poe Campbell, a board member, and Rima Mardoyan-Smith, who is also an artist. And I just love Michael's piece. Just adore it. So that's probably my favorite.
Fantastic. Tell me a little bit more about Planned Parenthood. What are your goals for this year?
Well, last year we served over 34,000 men, women, and teens with almost 70,000 visits. So as you know, Cognac, we do the full range of reproductive health services, from prevention and education and training, pap smears, breast exams, testing for
Yes,
STDs.
and that's so important because I just suffered from breast cancer. Yeah, I was diagnosed with, but luckily stage 1 breast cancer. So that's a very important thing, that it's not just for people that are young people that are trying to stop their reproduction, but it's also for women my age as well that, are seeking to get screened or be also examined for breast cancer. And I was very lucky. So, but
we see many, many women who are over 30. People think of us seeing teens, and
yes,
that's not
and
accurate.
it's not. That's why I'm here, because that's very important. It's a very important thing that you tell people, that it's not just for young adults. It's also for women my age as well that
are menopause and for breast exams, and that group continues to grow. We see more and more women over 30, over 35, over 40 coming to us who are uninsured or poorly insured. So they come to Planned Parenthood. It's confidential. We have terrific clinicians. A number of them are here volunteering today, our staff. So we'd love to see women and men. A lot of men come for, in terms of HIV testing and counseling and STDs. So we're open for everybody.
It's wonderful. I want you to tell my audience where we can go to contribute, to support, and to participate.
Well, always go to our website at www.pphp.org, and there you'll see all of our programs, and you can really see where our centers are. So the closest center to here is Riverhead, or you can also go to Patchogue. We have 5 centers out in Suffolk County, and Riverhead is probably the closest. But we work with our Smart Wheels. I hope you'll take a photo of our mobile education and medical van, because that comes out all to the east end of Long Island and stops and goes to schools and shelters and different teen organizations. So we provide care out in that van. We can do testing and treatment and just education throughout the east end of Long Island. But go to our website. You'll see all of our programs. It's an opportunity certainly to donate, an opportunity to come and volunteer. We always need volunteers at our centers to come to us with Albany, to come to Washington. Great opportunities to get involved with Planned Parenthood.
And that's
pphp.org. So it's Planned Parenthood Hudson-Peconic, because of the Hudson Bay, up because we cover Westchester, Rockland, Putnam, and Suffolk. So it's Hudson-Peconic, but just think of pphp.org. So thank you so much for coming today.
And we'll be back in a moment, dogs, with more interviews coming up. Keep watching, darlings. Champagne kisses.
One of a kind girl. This has been a Crybaby Productions, darlings.